Peter mentioned, disc golf takes upper and lower body strength. Here are 4 body weight exercises that you can do anywhere, even on the course. Start with push-ups because your entire upper body is involved in long throws. You can try all kinds of hand positions, triangle, wide, staggered, or even clapping push-ups. Next, squats are important because the power for those longer throws should begin in your hips and legs. Now you can make these even more challenging by adding a jump in between. Next are pull-ups. They help to develop your upper body balance between your chest and your back. If you can't do a full pull-up, you can start by practicing a simple straight arm hang. Finally, core stability and balance are critical to your overall throw, and planks are one of the best ways to develop that strength. Be sure to keep your body in a straight line and breathe. A big thanks to Ryan Meade for the great exercise demonstrations. So go ahead and give these 4 exercises a try and improve your overall game.